Hello everyone, this video is from today, September 22nd, late afternoon. I'm out here with my friend Mike to catch some bass, and with us today we have Baseball Kid and Frogboy. They are trying to catch frogs. Didn't know what was going to happen. We had torrential rain overnight, and the fishing was a little weird. We did manage to catch a few. One of the cameras did not work at all, malfunctioned completely, so we just have video from one camera. Anyway, we had fun. Hope you enjoy the video. God bless you.
Oh, that took a while. Hey, dude, you're all right.
What was that, a bass, Nick?
Yeah. Thank you, my silver green friend. You're beautiful. On the plopper. What's up, dude? Now that's what I call fully engaged with a whopper plopper. Hurricane could have came along and you wouldn't have got off. Thank you, my little whopper plopper friend. You're beautiful. Got him.
Look at this frog, guys. It's that blue one from yesterday, the other day, Liam. Look at the color of him, dude. That's a cool ass color.
Definitely.
That's not like your everyday color for sure.
Very cool. Put him against your white shirt.
He definitely catch some fish.
Oh, get it, Mike.
I'm never gonna catch him.
Yes, you will. Come on, get him. Head him off at the pass.
Braden, I need help catching this frog.
That was complicated.
Oh, Liam, where's the
He
ball?
got out again. I caught him. Look at the color of that thing.
He's so cool. My hand holds it.
He's really strong.
No,
We
Dad.
can't take this
He's
guy.
dry now. He's not slippery.
The bottom.
Here, grab him right like that. You gotta hold him tight. Grab him with your whole hand.
All right, show him to me.
Wait.
Let me see him.
Sit.
Just look up and smile. No, he's not going to fit in there.
Dad, get it. That's a mess.
Oh, my God. And yes, that is all on video.
Dad, go there.
High drama at the fishing hole.
All right.
Baseball Kid and Frogboy make the save.
Back to fish.
Little help from Dad.
We can't take him.
I thought you were going to be a bluegill, dude. Thank you for showing yourself to me, though. Would have been sure that I just lost a huge bluegill. Would like to thank everybody for watching today. We didn't catch a whole bunch of fish. We had some really heavy storms overnight, and I don't know if that has something to do with it. It's all fresh water, and this doesn't really have a lot of runoff going into it. I think it's spring fed. And you see the water clarity is just fine, but I'm sure the water temperature changed. And it could just be we're here at the wrong time of the day, or we're throwing the wrong things. I really don't know. We caught a few bass and frogs. Haven't managed to catch any bluegill yet. And we had fun and got out here in nature. And it's a beautiful evening. And thank you for watching. God bless you. If you're enjoying my videos, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps me to keep going with YouTube. It's very important. And if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. All these things help me to jump through YouTube soup so I can keep going and keep making videos. I'm not getting paid for this. I just love fishing and I love watching people catch fish. And it's a long road. So if you like my videos and you're interested in helping me, please do those things for me. I appreciate it. God bless you and thank you for watching.